If you're looking for a large tablet for watching content, studying, getting some work done, casual gaming, or even using mobile data while you're away from home, you've probably come across two models that look very appealing on paper: the Doogee U13 Pro and the Blackview Mega 5. Both come with Android 16, LTE connectivity, high refresh rate displays, and processors that are practically identical. But here's the important detail. Even though they share a lot of numbers on the spec sheet, the real-world experience ends up feeling quite different. One focuses more on screen size and battery life, while the other seems to deliver a more refined overall package. So the real question is simple. Is it worth saving money, or is one option clearly better? After comparing them, I think the choice becomes pretty clear. The Doogee U13 Pro makes sense if your absolute priority is getting a huge display and a slightly larger battery while spending as little as possible. For watching videos, browsing, and staying connected with mobile data, it does the job. But if you're looking for a tablet that feels faster, sharper, more comfortable to use, and better prepared to stay enjoyable over the next few years, the Blackview Mega 5 feels like the smarter buy. Not because the performance difference is huge, but because it improves exactly where you spend most of your time using a tablet: display quality, smoothness, charging, and the overall experience. If the price difference between the two is relatively small, I'd lean toward the Blackview Mega 5.